Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check real battery health on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to check your real-time battery health, so let's see how can you easily do that. You have to open up your settings. In settings, go for battery, and here you have to select your battery health, and here you will get the maximum capacity. So this is 100%, but this is not your real-time battery health. So now to check your real-time battery health, you have to open up your browser, and here you have to simply search for battery status shortcut. So you have to search for this. Once you have searched, open the first website from here, and here you have to scroll down and tap on this battery status shortcut option, and here you have to wait for its loading, and then you have to tap on this add shortcut option. Once you have selected, the shortcut will be added to your shortcuts app. Once it has been added, you have to open up your settings app again. In this time, you have to go ahead to your privacy and security, and then scroll down again, and you will get this analytics and improvements option. Simply select that, then select analytics data, and here you have to select the analytics of your recent date. So once you have selected, you have to tap on it, then tap on this share option from here, and here you have to look for your battery status shortcut. Here's the battery status, you have to tap on it, and once you have that, you will get your real-time battery health here. So that's how you can easily check your real-time battery health in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.